Hello, today I want to talk about news what surrounded us on cryptocurrencies market today. And my point of view, what scenario I see where going Bitcoin to grow or to fall. First of all, I want to talk about the what say all bloggers crypto, not all but most of them. When Bitcoin was falling from highest prices to prices where we are today. Between 60 and 20,000 one coin, all this time when he was falling, they said that we will see Bitcoin at 100,000 per one coin. Also when price on 30,000 for one Bitcoin, they said this was the bottom, and they also said that it will not be cheaper than now, and we will not see the price of 20,000 and cheaper. And where we are today? We are on prices 16,000 for one Bitcoin. And today, not when price 50, 60,000 for one Bitcoin. Today they switch their opinion on almost opposite. They start to saying that we're going to fall, we're going deeper, and we may see the price of 10,000 for one Bitcoin, 8,000 for one Bitcoin. Also, this accompanied by the scary news that cryptocurrencies may die, and in my opinion, they're trying to scare you into not buying it now. Also, I'm agree with it that Bitcoin may go a little below. We can see it on prices 13,000 for one Bitcoin, 12,000 for one Bitcoin. It can be, but also we can see it on prices 20, 25, 30,000 for one Bitcoin in, I don't know, not next weeks, but from these prices where are we today. And what I wanted to say, that all time when it's falling, they saying that it's going to grow. But today, on real bottom of this market, they switch their opinion to almost opposite and starting to saying that we're going to fall. In my opinion, it's time to start buying. Also, why I recommend doing today, because if you know that you wanna buy it and you 100% starting to do it, so I strongly recommend take your half of your money and buy it today. And if Bitcoin going deeper, you be prepared for it, because if Bitcoin going on 13,000 for one Bitcoin, that you can say that on 100% you buy on these prices, because when it's going deeper, the news may be so scary that you trying to think that Bitcoin may go fall deeper and deeper and deeper. So it's my recommendation, start to buying it here. It's one of scenarios that Bitcoin going deeper, and if you spend half of your money here, you'll be prepared to do it when it's going down. But another scenario, Bitcoin may start to grow from this position to prices 20, 25, 30,000 for one Bitcoin, and you be scared of that you lost your chance to buy it on these prices where we today, start to scary that you may not see it in future these prices anymore, and going to buy it on 25,000 for one Bitcoin, 30,000 for one Bitcoin. Also, when Bitcoin is going to grow to these prices, I think we can see the news that, okay, all problems on cryptocurrency market is solved, and etc. And you started to think that all going to grow to new highs and start to buy, and after that Bitcoin may fall, and may fall deeper than we are today. So it's two scenario of my point of view what can happen with Bitcoin. It's first, we can go deeper from position where we're today, or we can start to grow to prices 20, 25, 35, and after that go down. Also, why I recommend to buy it today, because if you going and see pictures on this market to see situation as a whole, it's not a big fall. If we're really going to see it, it's not a big change in prices from where we see this price on highs and where are we today. So it's my main idea, it's my main recommendation to do it, because I think we can see the similar situation when it was here, and we going to grow, and after it we going to fall. Here I want to talk about current situation around FTX, how it may affect markets, and what does it mean for us. First of all, I want to say that we already have the similar situation in previous cycles. It's be with MTGOX in 2013. This was more or less a similar situation, but all trying to say that we're going to die, that Bitcoin going to die after that, but it's enough good, I think, Bitcoin feel yourself today. And what does it mean for us, the current situation in FTX? Like I said before in videos, that current news bubble wanna try to fear us, to scare us, to not buy it today. Situation with FTX is actually viewing the terrible events what's happened in market to scare us also, not just by saying these words, but by physical effect. What does it mean, physical effect? Many people lost their money because of the FTX, and also because of domino effect by falling smaller exchanges like Crypto.com, Gate.l, and another small project may fall after the falling of FTX because they have some boundings, they have assets on this bridge. This dangerous situation with Genesis today. It also can some people can lose their money of this if they store the assets on this project. But in my opinion, what does it all say to us? What does it happen? It's just manipulation to scare us, to fear us to not buy it today. And also, and I wanted to show you a video and express the main thesis of this article in few words. That what actually FTX has bounding with Democrats and with SEC. In this article, in this post, you can read that FTX, is one of who promoted a lot of money for the pre-election company of Biden. And also I want to show you one interesting pictures where you can see the bounding connection between the chief of FTX, chief of SEC, and chief of Alameda Research, how they connect between each other. And if you want to deeply understand this connection, I leave a link to video and do this post. But in few words, what does it mean for us? This is a dirty political games between Democrats and conservatives, and in my opinion, this all happened, and like I said before, it's just for scare us, for manipulate this market to show us what happened in market in this way, like they wanna show us scary fear, and maybe to have a chance to buy a Bitcoin on lower prices to accumulate their position, and etc. So it's what I wanted to show you. It's what I wanted to say you in school situation about market today. And thanks for watching.